Today we are trying to identify mystery sounds in nature. I will be playing nature sounds. These losers have no idea what they're getting themselves into. Just kidding.
Hawk. Maybe an eagle?
Okay. It's an eagle.
Dragonfly? What? Bird?
This is a bat.
A cardinal. Hummingbird?
Nope.
Golden cheek warbler.
Yes, it is a golden cheek warbler.
Chipmunk.
Porcupine.
Okay.
Is this real?
Okay, so fox.
Not a fox.
A wolf.
Nope.
Raven.
Not a raven.
Roadrunner.
It's a roadrunner!
Oh whale. Hot blue hump whale.
It's a blue whale.